Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. This morning is Thursday, and it's like, I think it's like 29 degrees out this morning. As you can tell, all of the snow has gone. The sun is, it's beautiful right here. I'll probably go to the point over there and get a couple cool pictures down there. But if you don't know who I am, hi. My name is Cindy, and I do a lot of nature walks, vlogs. I'm on a wellness journey, and I bring you along and document what I do on my walks, what I see, nature, sunrises, all that. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. And like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that way whenever I upload a video, hopefully you'll get the future uploads. And it is beautiful this morning. Oh man. Down here at the point, the sun is right at that perfect spot where everything is golden and beautiful. With the water in the background, it's beautiful. Point and I'm always at. I'm glad that the sun is out this morning. Now I'm coming over here by the, I don't know what you call it, like by the corner where the two rivers meet. It's gorgeous down here. I cannot see. There we go. Go go this way. Look at that. Getting some great sunrise. Now this is gorgeous. This is the Penobscot River. It's beautiful. Over there's the dam. Past the bridge where I usually go on the river road is the Piscataquis River, and it flows into the Penobscot. This is the Penobscot, and I believe this is the Penobscot too. There's another dam up there. Yesterday I was, see where the that island is. Yesterday I was like on the other side of that island when I was doing the first snow video. You could tell all the snow was gone, but yep. It is beautiful here. Let me get it out of the sun here. It is beautiful here. The wind isn't blowing, and it's real still. The sun is beautiful. It's kind of warm. So now I'll probably go on the river road down to the field. Hopefully we'll see some animals down there. Hopefully there'll be an eagle. Maybe I'll get lucky and see a deer. That would be fabulous. But yep. So if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that like button. And we'll see you when I get on the river road. See you later. Hey everyone, I'm back and I'm on the river road. Yeah. Oh man, you should have seen me over at the point over there. I was like doing a full-on fashion show over there. The sun was hitting so perfect that I had on my hoodie because it really isn't super cold out here. Yeah, I was like doing like poses and junk like that for my Instagram, and I'll probably do like a reel over there and threads and schmishmack. So yeah, I'm learning how to do like the reels and stuff. My biggest thing is doing like a script on like what to say. So I never know what to say, because when I'm doing a vlog, it's just whatever comes to mind I'll say. But when I do a reel, I have to like write it down and then kind of say it. So we'll see how that turns out. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I get further down. Oh, this is what the river looks like. Oh, yesterday when I was on Penobscot Avenue, those geese were flying overhead. Oh man, they were squawking up a storm. It was a big flock. They were flying. I don't know if they decided to fly south finally after the snow, but They were like, screw this, I ain't staying here. But we'll see as I get further down if they move somewhere else or not. Man, I'm telling you. So I'll see you when I get further down this road. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hey, I'm back, and I'm at the end of the river road, where the field is. I'm looking around because I'm looking for some deer or any kind of animals. I don't see any yet, but my word, I have to take this off. I am sweating. I thought it was going to be freezing because it said 28 degrees, but is this somebody walking? Yeah, I think it's people walking. Yes, 28 degrees, and I was like, oh, brr, that's freezing. I get out here and start walking. Oh my gosh, I'm so sweating. Yeah, this is what it's like. So I'm gonna walk down here. Yo, I gotta fix my boot. My boot is super, like, it's hitting the back of my leg, or my the heel, and it's, when I took a shower this morning, it was burning, and I'm like, oh man, it's that time of year where you wear boots. And I retired my old ugly sneakers. Man, they were pretty bad. I'm gonna have to get another pair next spring. But oh look, they got a thing up that says no hunting. Good for him. I'm glad. You should have one over on this side. I think he's got another one. I think he's got another one right there. But yup. I'm glad he did it. Because this right here, over in these fields, this field and this field, that family of deer like to graze in this field. And because the river is right on the other side. Yup. So I'm gonna go down here to the end down here, and dang, I should have come down here yesterday when it was the first snow, because I really wanted to see what that that trail looks like in the first snow. I mean, it's not like there's gonna be, there's not gonna be any more snow. I mean, we do live in Maine. There's gonna be a bucket loads of days where it's gonna be snow, and I'll be able to come down here, but I was just so excited. Oh, because it's always real pretty when it's the first snow. And then the sun comes up, and then it like reflects off the sun and stuff. It's always super pretty here. But I'm looking around. See. For anyone that's new here, like and subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. And this road right here is a old road from, like, I would dare say from like 1870 to 1900s. And this road used to go to a different town before the interstate. And yeah, it's right here. I don't know, I thought I heard something moving. Like, you know, when something steps in the leaves, it was like over there. It was about, might have been, yeah, it might have been about here that I saw that deer when it crossed this road. but I don't see anything. I love watching deer. Deer are fun to watch, especially when there's a bunch of them and they jump and play, and oh, they're so fun to watch. I thought I heard something. Is there anyone behind me? No? That was weird. I thought I heard, ooh, like that. Kind of weird. So I am to the other, or the end of this road. The interstate is right over there, and the trail is right here. I'm not gonna go down the trail, but if you like my videos and you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, share this video to friends, YouTube, share it out, and like and subscribe to my channel. In the description down below is a link to my link tree, and it has all my socials on there. And go check me out there. Like, subscribe, share, follow, and go check me out. Like this channel, share this channel or this video, like this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure. See you later.